Now it's your turn to use the slope-intercept form of a linear equation to state both the slope and y-intercept of that equation, and then interpret each in the context of the model. Stop this video, take a moment to write out your answers to these problems in your lecture outline packet, and then turn the video back on to check your answers. In this example, we're told to let y be the total cost of owning a flock of 3 chickens, measured in dollars. The total cost of owning these chickens for x months can be modeled by the equation y equals 20x plus 400. So thinking of our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, we can see, just based on that equation, that the slope is 20. So we'll write down that the slope is 20. And that's a positive number, so every time x increases by 1 unit, y will increase by 20 units. And I'll write that down. That'll help me write out the context of this slope. And the units for each of those, units for x are months, and my units for y are dollars. So thinking about that in context, each month the total cost increases by $20. Next, we're going to look at the y-intercept. We can see from our equation y equals 20x plus 400 that the value of b is 400. So the y-intercept, we'll write that as a point. The y-intercept is the point 0, 400. So thinking about what that means, when x is 0, y equals 400. So thinking about in context, we could say after 0 months the cost is $400, or we could say the initial cost is $400. That's generally a more sensible way to state that 0 month part. So in context, the initial cost is $400.